Hi there, this is part 2 of 3rd grade word problems for time that go over the hour. So here's the first problem we're going to look at. Sarah started soccer at 3:45. If the practice is 90 minutes long, what time will it be over? I'm going to help students think through, what do I know and what am I solving for? So I know what time the practice starts. And do I know the end time? No. So I'm going to put a big old question mark. What am I solving for? F, that's the finish time. So when will it be over? And let's see, let's reread and see what information we know in the story problem. Sarah started soccer at 3:45. If the practice is 90 minutes long, what time will it be over? Let's think through that. So I know the length of the practice, 90 minutes. So now a great strategy for this kind of problem is an open number line. I'm going to go ahead and start with the time it started, and I'm going to label that S for start. And now I'm going to take a number bond to take that 90 minutes and make it into jumps that I am comfortable with. So let's see, what are two numbers that add to 90? I know 60 minutes, and then 90 minus 60 is 30 more minutes. So now let's go ahead and jump 60 minutes on my number line. So I'm going to label this 60. 60 minutes later would be, what do you guys think? 4:45. Okay, so then being a careful mathematician, I'm going to check that off. So let's see, how much longer is her soccer practice? So, at this point, I'm not comfortable jumping 30 minutes, so I'm going to break that apart further into 10-minute jumps. So let's figure out what would be 10 minutes later. That would be 4:55. Okay, this is where it gets challenging on a clock because we know the hour hand is shorter, the minute hand is longer, and if I'm at 4:55, 5 more minutes later would be what time? Hopefully they will say 5 o'clock. So I'm going to jump there and label that. Now we got to do some math. So we've jumped 10 minutes and we've jumped 5 more. So going back to my problem, the practice is 90 minutes long, which is an hour and a half. I'm going to subtract the hour I jumped. And now let's figure out what we have jumped again. So 10 and 5 is 15. So I'm going to take the 30 minutes and subtract 15. 15 more minutes. So if I'm at 5, I'm going to jump 15 more to get to 5:15. So that's my finish time. So S and F, start and finish, is a strategy that can help us. So now the last step is to go back and double check our math. So we would do that by thinking through, okay, rereading the problem. It started at 3:45. The practice is 90 minutes long. What time will it be over? So one strategy to check our work would be to add the jumps we did on the number line, 60 plus 10 plus 5 plus 15. So let's make some friendly numbers. Did we get to the correct amount of jumps? Yes, 90. All right, that's one type of problem.